Okay, so using the quadratic formula, this is a surefire way of being able to solve any quadratic equation that doesn't factorize, providing a solution is available. Note the calculator is often a better option, but this is going to be given to you in the non-calculator section. So providing you've got your equation set up as ax squared plus bx plus c, so your x squareds, your x's, your numbers equals 0, we can use this formula. And this formula looks tough, but when we start using it, you'll see it's very repetitive, and we will give you the formula on any test that you have to do. So don't panic about that. So let's do the examples. Obviously you're able to keep the formula in front of you at the same time. I can't. Okay, so the first trick is going to be to write down what A, B and C are. I'm sorry for the beeping. Okay, so you're able to keep the quadratic formula on your page while I'm doing this example. The first thing is to write down what is A, B and C. And they're just the numbers in front of the letters that we've got. So in this case, A equals 1, because really that's 1x squared. B equals 5, and C equals -1. So, using your formula, the formula says x equals negative b, so that will be -5. Then we put the plus or minus sign, the square root of b squared, so that's 25, take away 4 times a times c. And I always put those in brackets just to save me any hassles with negatives. Close your square root sign, and the whole thing is divided by 2 times your a value, so that would be 2 in this case. On the next line, we're going to do some neatening up. So x equals -5 plus or minus the square root of 25. Now, -4 times 1 is -4 times -1 is +4. Again, all over 2. And that tells me that x equals -5 plus or minus the square root of 29, all divided by 2. Now, how do we get two solutions from this? Well, we know then that x equals -5 plus the square root of 29, all divided by 2, or x equals -5 take the square root of 29, all divided by 2. And there's our two solutions. So it's either this one or that one. So that plus or minus only comes into effect at the end when we're writing out our two solutions.